We'll guide you through how to take notes with ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chatopenai.com. Log into your ChatGPT account if you haven't done so already. Once you're in, start a new chat by clicking on the new chat button located at the top left corner of the screen. In the chat box, you can begin by asking ChatGPT to help you structure your notes. Type something like, "Can you help me organize my notes on your topic?" Feel free to replace your topic with the subject you're focusing on. ChatGPT will provide you with a suggested structure, which you can then customize as needed. You can ask specific questions or request summaries on particular sections by typing them directly into the chat. For example, summarize the key points of subtopic. The AI will respond with a concise overview that you can easily copy and paste into your note-taking app or document. To keep track of your notes, consider using headings like key points, definitions, and examples. You can ask ChatGPT to generate these sections for you, which can be especially helpful if you're dealing with complex material if you want to expand on any section. Simply type, "Can you elaborate on specific point?" ChatGPT will provide additional information, making your notes more comprehensive. Remember, you can also use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas or clarify concepts by asking, "Can you explain concept in simpler terms?" This will help you understand the material better and produce clearer notes. Once you have your notes organized, it's a good idea to review and edit them to ensure they meet your needs. You can always return to ChatGPT to refine information or add new insights. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.